Hi, my name is Prince Kpasra. I'm a pastor and an ICT consultant. Welcome to a short informative presentation on how young Christians can use social media productively and to build themselves. In this video, I would like to discuss what social media is and how it affects the users. I would also be looking at the dangers in social media, in the use of social media, the risks and the threats. I'll also be speaking about the benefit. How can one actually use social media to make money, to run their business or share the gospel, and many other things. And then finally, I will focus on the various software or various solutions, practical solutions that will be more useful for young people to focus on. There's so many things, but they can focus on these few things that I'm going to share. The guiding principle that I have chosen for this presentation and the use of social media is Philippians chapter 4, verse 8. Finally, brethren, whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are of good report, if there be any virtue, if there is any praise, think on these things. This is a scripture any Christian can use as a ruler, a measuring rod to check the content they are putting up on social media. Is what you are putting on social media true? Is it honest? Is it just? Is it pure? Is it lovely? Is it of good report? Can we show what you are putting on social media to your pastor, for instance? Can we show what you are putting on social media to your parents? Can we show what you are putting on social media to somebody you respect? So once you want to put anything up on social media, once you want to put anything on social media, you want to do anything, you want to comment, find out based on this scripture, is it true? Is it honest? Is it just? Is it pure? Is it lovely? Is it of good report? So let this be our guiding principle. As a Christian and as a young man, this scripture should be your guiding principle when you are on social media. Before I give you the definitions for social media, there are some two videos I want you to check out on YouTube. The first one is Kpasra, and this is a gentleman who was laid off from work during the COVID time, and he decided to react to videos. He's become very rich, he's become very famous. He's the second largest follower with followers on TikTok, and his story is an inspiration. He doesn't even speak in his videos. He just looks at what other people have done and make comments about it with just his reaction. And then the other video that I want you to also watch is how phone use have caused several accidents. So type either inspiring story of Kpasra or just type phone use accident. You will be able to get a lot of videos on people using phones and getting them into serious accidents. What really is social media? What really is social media? Social media is just a networking of people over websites. So the definition I find online is